We love our job because we get to work together. That's one of the big things.
That's a big thing.
Which we've done for, well, a little beyond 3 decades now.
Yeah.
But the big thing for us is we got to start a business where, quite simply, we get to do business the right way for the right reasons.
Customers that need a little extra TLC. They aren't the customer that wanders into Home Depot and says, yep, I want this, this, and this. They want someone to hold their hand. They want someone to help them design.
Yeah, I think the customers either are struggling to decide what they want, or we have a customer who knows exactly what they want, but they cannot find it. One of the fun things for us is we have such a breadth of capabilities when it comes to our product that we can typically deliver exactly what that customer has been looking for.
And not just, point them to an aisle and say, your stuff's down here.
Our days are also filled with visits to the client's home to more precisely determine that solution that they're looking for when it comes to cabinet storage, etc.
Customer service is key for us, and by and large, you can get cabinets, you can get counters, you can get our products out there everywhere, but you can't get the customer service that we provide. And that was a big part of our push to go back and to go into small business and bring it home.